everybody, it's Jeannie. I am on my own today, up on my deck. So I wanted to talk today a little bit about something that I think we all know, but maybe goes unused. It could really be used more often, and it's appreciation. And the reason why is because research has shown that we need a balance of about 7 appreciations for every criticism that we receive. And the reason why is because we focus a lot more, we remember if we've been criticized or done something wrong. We just have a tendency to carry those things with us for a longer period of time. Whereas when somebody acknowledges us or appreciates us for something, sometimes we brush it off, it goes in one ear and out the other. So my suggestion then in your relationship is that as you're noticing some of the things that your partner does wrong, right, and we all do this, is to also find the things or remember the things that you appreciate your partner for. And out of the blue, give them an appreciation. Like, honey, I really appreciated that you unloaded the dishwasher. Like, it doesn't have to be a huge thing, but there are these little things that our partners do day in and day out that make our lives easier. And to remember to acknowledge those and speak those, because sometimes it's easy to get focused on either what's not working or the little things that we wish they would do differently. So that is the quick tip for today, is to remember to acknowledge your partner. And it's one of the great practices of keeping the love in a relationship alive. And you might consider, before you go to bed at night, to actually take even just 30 seconds and share with each other one thing that you really appreciated about the other that they've done that day. So thanks for watching, and just a quick reminder, there's only a few days left for the discount, the 50% off for our couples relationship workshop that's coming up in Boulder. So the link is in the bottom part of the text here, and we hope to see you there. And that's it. Happy relationship, happy appreciation. See you next time.